Hello, welcome to my channel. My name's Julie, and I see somebody asking about putting one of these die sets together. It's not a new release, it's a release from about 2 years ago. But I picked, there was two sets, so you've got this one and this one. Parfumerie Panache, that one's called, and this one's called Parfumerie Perfect Romance Gift Box. But I chose this one to make a video on because it's got curves in the box shape. So it's a little bit, it's not hard, but if you're not sure where you're going, you wouldn't know how to put it together, put it like that. So I've already cut one out and I've already scored the lines. The upright lines need to be a valley, like that, and then these ones need to be a mountain. So just run your finger along the curves, like so. And also you will need an A4 platform with it. I'll get my plates. I don't know whether I should show you my plates, they're all scratched. But they still work. So you'll need an A4 platform like that. And I have the cut and boss because it's easier for me. So if I actually get the die set out, she says, and I'll show you how big it is. So take that piece of tape off. There you go. So there's not a lot of room to spare, is there? And it cuts out of an A4 sheet, so you don't have a lot of wastage when you do your cutting out. So that's why you need an A4 plate. I'll sort that out later. Put that down on the floor. So once you've done all that and you've folded all your score lines, see this again, you've got these little ones here and those underneath there. So I'm going to stick on my mats and layers before I go any further, I think. I've put on tape. Now because it's a bit of a rounded box, you might need to, well you'll need to put these on first, otherwise you're never going to get them on. So, and I've hopefully these are going to stay on. I've just stuck down with double-sided tape, but we'll see. Just get these off. Come on. That's it, I'm just lifting the tape off. Sorry, can't see, can you? And the other thing I want to point out, one of these has got like a little slit in. Don't cover that slit up. You get a purposely made die, which is this one. It's the same sort of shape, but it doesn't cover up that slit there because you will need that to fix your box together. What have I done here? Let's have a look. You can see now, can't you? We're getting a glare as well, aren't we? I think I might have to put my glasses on. Do you know, it's very windy here today. And as you'll see, when I start putting it together, it will it's a little bit tricky at first until you get I can't see what I'm doing. Let's put some glasses on the matter and I'll be able to see. Right, that's better. There we go. Yeah, when you start putting this together, it is a little bit tricky. You think, how on earth does that go together? Right. I don't know whether it's the double-sided. I tried putting these details. I put the pink paper onto double-sided sticky sheet, and I don't know if I'm doing it wrong or not, but whenever I'm trying to cut out, because I'm layering onto silver, and you know what it's like if you put too much glue down on your die cut, it seeps through, doesn't it? And it makes an awful mess of your mirror card. And whenever I try and die cut through, it just won't. I think the dies are not designed, are they, to cut through like they've got to go through like your sticky layer, two sides of your sticky, haven't you? And then your card as well. And the card I'm using is only a 216, this pink. The teal colour is a 240. Right, that's done that. That's for later. So when you come to be doing these, oh no, hang on, I've got to glue that bit now. I'm going to go for wet glue. Might have to wait a little if I don't put too much on. What I like to do is just smooth it out with my finger. Usually goes straight on my trousers. Oh dear. So now I'm going to glue these two together. Do you know what, I'm going to wait for that. That's it, you can see what I'm doing then, can't you, as well? That's it. Give it a good old press. And then you're ending up with a shape like this. So those points there need to go in. Okay. And you can glue these ones here. Alright. Let's have a look. Go in. Hang on. This is where you need to be leaving that for a minute or two just to get it to makes a cute little box. I've done this in silver, but in silver mirror, but in a satin board. Well, not mirror, it's not called mirrors, it's just satin board on card. Let's see if that'll go now, that one. So those go in. That's it. So you need to be doing that. What I think I might do is try some double-sided sticky. See if that'll hold it. It might not hold, because you're trying to get the card to go in an angle, aren't you? So it might not hold it, but we'll see. And because I've used double-sided tape, these might ping off as well. But if you do want to make one of these, try with the wet glue. You might have to sit and hold it for a little while. So you bring those two together like that, and put another piece over the top as well. So I had to remind, because I haven't played with these for such a long time, I had to remind myself how to put them together. But this is the one where I think people are having trouble with it. Oh, sorry. Right, let's see. So you're going to push those together like so. And then these two, you see the box forming now. There you go. Then that one is going to come up to that line there. There's a little score line there, and that comes up to there. So what I might try and do, yeah, I thought they're coming off. It's because you're making it into a curve. So let's get a little piece of tape. I might try a bit of glue as well. You can always put some glue underneath, can't you? As well as red liner tape. So I'm just bringing it up to there. Especially because you're taking it and making it go into curves. A piece of paper is not naturally going to go into a curve, is it? It likes to stay flat. I'll tell you what, we might put a piece on the bottom piece as well, just to I'm going to put a piece along here as well. So that's going to go onto there, like that. So we've got that so far. And then we're going to take these ones off. So if you have got this in your collection and you're not sure what you're up to, I might just put a bit there. And you bought it and you think, oh no, I can't remember how to do it. Well, this is how you do it. Okay. So now, these two have got like little ears, and you, let me bend that down, bend that one down. The two middle pieces have got like little ears, so you're going to put those together inside. Bring this one over, that goes in there. And then this one has got two little tabs, so that is going to go into there. That's it. And then this one has got like a little tab what I go inside there. And then what I've done is I've done a little one like that, so what I'll do is we'll just I think I'll leave that like that, and maybe I'm looking for the foam or something like that. I'll put that on there like that. And also in the other set you get like dies to make a little flower, and I've put like some ooh, there you are. I've put like pen on there. So I've shaped that as well, so I'll show you. I've got some of the glitter markers out. I used that one for the middle. And I think it's that one for the outside. So they're Nouveau glitter markers, strawberry bonbon and golden ochre. So I've just put a little bit of glitter on there. So let's take this. I've just got my glue gun. Do you know, I thought that was charged up. Okay, fair enough, maybe it's not. We could do it with wet glue then. So a little bit of wet glue on, and I'm just going to place it onto there. There you go. It's a little tutorial for you if you've forgotten how it goes. So that is how it's going to look. And they do look nice if you do them in like the satin card, if you've got any of that floating around in your stash. As I said, it's not a new release, it's about 2 years old, this die set and the other one. They both come out together, and they do like make nice little boxes for jewellery to go into if you're giving somebody jewellery or anything like that. Little favour boxes, they're just an unusual shape, aren't they? So I hope that's helped, and if you like what you're seeing, please subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you for watching.